Shared hosting versus managed hosting. Shared hosting and managed hosting are two popular options for individuals and businesses looking to host their websites. Both options have their own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to consider your specific needs before making a decision. Shared hosting is a common choice for beginners or those on a tight budget. As the name suggests, shared hosting involves multiple websites sharing the same server resources. This means that the cost of hosting is distributed among all the users, making it a cost-effective option. Shared hosting also offers convenience, as the hosting provider takes care of server maintenance, security, and software updates. This allows users to focus on their website content and functionality without worrying about the technical aspects. However, shared hosting does have its drawbacks. The main disadvantage is that you are sharing server resources with other websites. This means that if one website on the server experiences a surge in traffic or encounters technical issues, it can affect the performance of all the other websites. Additionally, the resources available to each website are limited, so if your website requires high bandwidth or storage, shared hosting may not be sufficient. Another concern is security. Since multiple websites are hosted on the same server, there is a higher risk of malware or hacking affecting your website. On the other hand, managed hosting offers a more tailored and dedicated hosting solution. With managed hosting, you have a dedicated server solely for your website. This means that you have full control over the server resources and can customize them according to your needs. Managed hosting is particularly beneficial for websites that require high performance, such as e-commerce sites or websites with heavy traffic. It also offers enhanced security measures, as you are not sharing the server with other websites. However, managed hosting does come with a higher price tag. Since you have a dedicated server, the cost of hosting is higher compared to shared hosting. Additionally, managing a dedicated server requires technical expertise, so if you are not familiar with server management, you may need to hire a professional to handle it for you. This can add to the overall cost of managed hosting. Another disadvantage of managed hosting is the responsibility of server maintenance and updates falls on the user. Unlike shared hosting, where the hosting provider takes care of these tasks, with managed hosting, you need to ensure that the server is regularly maintained and updated to ensure optimal performance and security. This can be time-consuming and requires technical knowledge. In conclusion, choosing between shared hosting and managed hosting depends on your specific needs and budget. Shared hosting is a cost-effective and convenient option for beginners or those on a tight budget. It is suitable for websites with moderate traffic and resource requirements. On the other hand, managed hosting offers more control, performance, and security, but comes at a higher cost and requires technical expertise. It is ideal for websites with high traffic and resource-intensive needs. Ultimately, it's important to carefully assess your requirements and choose the hosting option that best suits your needs.